Welcome to Math for Machine Learning, Open Doors to Great Careers. My name is Richard Hahn. This is a first course in Math for Machine Learning. If you're a working professional needing a refresher on machine learning or a complete beginner who needs to learn machine learning for the first time, this online course is for you. If your busy schedule doesn't allow you to go back to a traditional school, this course allows you to study on your own schedule and further your career goals without being left behind. If you plan on taking machine learning in college, this is a great way to get ahead. If you're currently struggling with machine learning or have struggled with it in the past, now is the time to master it. After taking this course, you will have refreshed your knowledge of machine learning for your career so that you can earn a higher salary. You will have a required prerequisite for lucrative career fields such as data science and artificial intelligence. You will be in a better position to pursue a master's or PhD degree in machine learning and data science. Let's look at some applications of machine learning. Linear discriminant analysis can be used to solve classification problems such as spam filtering and classifying patient illnesses. Logistic regression can be used to solve binary classification problems such as determining whether a patient has a certain form of cancer or not. Artificial neural networks can be used for applications such as self-driving cars, recommender systems, online marketing, reading medical images, speech and face recognition. Real-world applications of support vector machines include classification of proteins and classification of images. In this course, I cover core topics such as linear regression, linear discriminant analysis, logistic regression, artificial neural networks, and support vector machines. I explain each definition and go through each example step by step so that you understand each topic clearly. Throughout the course, there are practice problems for you to try. Detailed solutions are provided after each problem set. Feel free to ask questions in the discussion and I will try my best to answer all of them as soon as I can. I look forward to helping you and I hope you benefit from the course.